kasibonke bayanifuna ngoku azinzathini nalento daluza nodaba uphulumende daluza nodaba ufuna ipheka kasibonke bayanifuna ngoku azinzathi. I just pull out.
What's up? Welcome to the podcast. /LifeAsekas. Igama lami ngaphiwe mina uZeko all the way PM Fuleni. Namhlanje ngikhuluma nami uMK RSA. Ibuye ndala. Gogo esegaming. If you don't know MK RSA Ispaza, you don't know Ispaza. Like ndifumene ikhuluma nami namhlanje like there's a show ba interview yami ngifumana. Buya amukren. Krel khuluma nami. One thing ngifuna ukubuza yona bra yami ngile basango siza perform ne like how do you see game move like from way back? How do you see game? Let's go. Shout out to you, bro. Share, Bram. Yeah, my brother. /LifeAsekas. Aqalela follow and subscribe. Bram, ngifuna ukubuza nje umbuzo mbala Bram. Siswa uthula Bram like injani game ngoku?
It's very different now, yabo. Qala it's like sasizi youth kakhulu yabo. Sasingekayiboni la motion thola ukuthi ekse I feel like zoba ilight wenza njena kanjani like ngoku sewumdala ukhulile ngoku uyazibona maniwezi ngekho ngekho bona ezi right, so now you can differentiate now yabo. So yeah, except Brian second question Brian ne kuba artist Brian engafuna freestyle engafuna uqabele beat yabo Brian ezba udala segame Brian like is it fair ba umuntu aqabele beat lokanye umuntu kufuneka yathini like as artist ubona njani ni persistive yakho lo? I don't know. I feel like equal away, yabo. Maybe no mood, mood, yabo. If you like excel, you're in the mood of drop a freestyle, then you can drop. But if you're not, it's also cool, yabo. Yeah.
Okay, but dani man khuluma nami ne dabulela ba uvumela ukuthi ke nami Bram ne ethwa ukuthi /LifeAsekas dabulela Bram ne hayi Bram yo ethwa ukuthi /LifeAsekas igama lami ngaphiwe mina uZeko all the way P Emfuleni. I just got MK RSA now the third great artist up, so there's more to come. Shout out to Pro Child man for the time Sanga release. Let's go.
Azinzathini nalento daluza nodaba uphulumende daluza nodaba ufuna ipheka kasibonke bayanifuna